Working on a diesel engine inside of a big camper. It's actually a food truck in Myrtle Beach. I gotta figure out what's going on with the diesel. I need light in there. Yeah, there's all kinds of light you can use, I know. But I'm using Goose-Grip. It uses a Milwaukee battery or DeWalt or Snap-on. 3 different battery platforms. Suction cup holds it to the side right here. It attaches really easy. I mean, just undo the handles and then just put it on that and do that. And on the other side, you've got this really cool light that has very, very cool flexibility. 12-inch long light bar. The light bar is in a swivel and it can go 360 degrees, any angle, any pitch, and I'm going to bring it right inside to where I'm working on this motor. I'm going to turn it on right here, and now I can take this light and position it wherever I want, out of my way, up on the ceiling if I want. And I can see everything at 1300 lumens. This is available on Goose-Grip.com. And you'll consider it paid for once you use it for a week. It's that big of a game changer. Goose-Grip.com. And this is the Goose-Grip Mechanics Vacuum Suction Plate Work Light. I'm out.